actually I was taking hospital duty and patient care. So we had two modules, module A and module B. So in one module, we have given them all the articles which we have chosen the task. So the task was they need to measure the blood pressure as well as they have to take the history, medical history from the tummy patients.
त्याले चाहिँ 2 टाइम चाहिँ नोज पिच गरेर चाहिँ 2 टाइम ब्रिथ दिनुपर्छ भनेर अघि मेडिकल हेल्थ बोलाएको थिएँ त्यहाँदेखि इमर्जेन्सी बोलाउनु पर्छ
The students, they were very good as they were very much interested. They have taken this skill drill course as of their own interest, right? So they were very much enthusiastic. They have done it in a very good manner. We are very much proud of our students. Some people in our home will have the patients, right? Some people might be falling sick. So if they know how to manage themselves, what they can do, if they have the clear idea about that, then what will happen is they can prevent themselves from the disease as well. So they can have the better understanding. So they can teach others as well, right? So they can utilize their knowledge and skills in other setup. I think this is very much beneficial for all the students who has taken this course.